guys, we got a video about domino tours. So right here is about 200 lamping gray. I think this is around 1,000 something wood dominoes. Just some more wood dominoes in case I want to take them somewhere. About 100 clear lamping, 300 orange lamping, 100 yellow and 100 blue bolts, some railroad top things for knocking down structures. Then we got 100 green lamping, 100 sour apple green bulk, and 100 sea storm bulk, 100 tech mix, 100 fire storm, and 200 green, light green bulk. And in here, I don't know what these all colors are. Some kind of clear. I got a lot of dominoes. Right here is 100 brown bulk, 100 black clear smoke bulk, 100 clear red bulk. I got 200 clear red, actually 200 clear red bulk, 100 clear gold or clear yellow, so it's P, 100 purple, 100 white. These are some older white ones. Here's a comparison of newer white ones and older white. These white ones are probably about 4 or 5 years old. These are about 2 years old. So this is a comparison of how different the shades are. About iceberg, some kind of blue. These are some really old blue, probably as old as the white ones. Just same, really old red, really old turquoise, iceberg, we already went there. Some ivory khaki ones, red, and newer turquoise. You can't really tell the difference on the turquoise ones much. These are older. These are newer. They just feel just a little more duller, the older ones. And I actually kind of like duller, but I actually like the newer ones better. They made them better now. Because the tower, they're still really dull, but they make them where they're a little glossy, so they'll make towers fall. So there's all those dominoes. Then let's set it real quick. Then we got in this toy box some more dominoes. Alright guys, so we have about 100 pink. They're kind of spilling. Here, I'm gonna get them. Right there is 100 I think it's Mr. Domino Black, Mr. Domino, 100 Mr. Domino Red, 100 Mr. Domino Pink, 100 Mr. Domino Purple, and White, 100 Mr. Domino White, and then I got some cable planks and some popsicle sticks, and about 200 bulk clear. So yeah, it's a domino tour, guys.